Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Raymond. Raymond McDonald. I am the uncle to Dexta, but you can call me Uncle Wray for now. So I want to talk to you about something. Dexta, don't even know what I'm using this phone to record this message. He was always telling me that I must give my life to the Lord, for it is a good thing to do. I think you sometimes, Dexta. Both of us are filled with the Spirit. Just which one that we feel with. But I want you to do this. I want you to do things today. I want to sing you a song. And I want to send a particular message to a particular person, Let me sing the song for you first. I went to a supermarket one day. You wouldn't guess what happened to me. I went inside to buy a couple groceries, and I run into a lovely shopping spree. Was just for me. Bought everything and the whole of them free. But I didn't just come here to talk about my shopping spree that I had recently. I come to talk to the honor of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. The most honorable Andrew Busterman.
He needs some milk.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
The most honorable Andrew Holness. And your auspicious members of parliament and all those ministers that they have in government that's sitting around and they're just not doing anything. Mr. Holness, as an active member of the Bar Association of Jamaica, I want you to find out, Mr. Holness, how is it that all of the Curfew Times have been adjusted to accommodate a new time? But how is it that the time on a Sunday, which is when the active members of the Bar Association would gather around? I want to know, how is it that the curfew time has not been moved from 2 p.m.? It is somewhat of an atrocious behavior, Mr. Prime Minister, that you will not allow us, the active members of not just the Bar Association, but of Jamaica, to be able to go around on a Sunday afternoon until about 6 or 7 to conduct our businesses. Sundays don't matter anymore. I serve you and your... Yes, Mildred? When I'm recording a message for Dexta and his friends, so they can look at it. Listen to me, I will catch you some other time. Have a good one.